Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back for this second video on my channel. And first and foremost, I just want to say how much I appreciate all the love and support that my first video got, because I honestly thought that it was only get like 20 or 25 views, but no, the girl got 100 views within an hour. Like, that is just crazy to me. And when people were telling me like, oh Brooke, like, we'll watch your video when he posted, oh, we'll subscribe to you, I was like, yeah, sure, whatever, but I'll still do it. So when it was actually happening, I was like, oh my god, like, this is literally happening before my eyes. And I was shook to my core, and I was even more excited to start my second video. So yeah, so thank you guys so much. And yeah, so for today's video, I wanted to just focus on the eyes. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I got her for my birthday a couple weeks ago, and the color scheme, color range, sort of colors, color wheel, I don't know. Why do I feel like I'm on a game show called Pyramid? I used to watch that when I was small, so that's how I know about that game. But I don't know, the colors that come in the palette, I like them. They're my type of stuff. You see that? I've already used her like once or twice already, and she's really good. Like, I like it a lot. So yeah, so I'm gonna use that palette. But also I wanted to talk about something that's starting today. Today as in like Thursday. What's today's date? Today's September 6th, and it's starting today, and I'm really excited, and that is football. I'm a big football fan, if y'all can't already tell already. I already know that once I tell y'all what my team is, I'm probably going to get hate comments. I'm probably going to be getting a lot of trash talking. But you know what? Does this face look like it cares? It doesn't. So leave those hate comments out. Leave that trash talking out. But in the meantime, I just want to talk about football. The only reason why I like this team is because this team runs deep in my family. Like, it goes as far back as my great grandpa, and so that's the whole reason why that my entire family likes this team. And as far as I can remember, I've always gotten trash talking, a lot of negative comments about this team, so I've just gotten used to it. But my team is the Dallas Cowboys. I don't know, I like football in general. I like college football, I like NFL. Yeah, so I'm really excited NFL started. This is the first season that I actually did fantasy football, where I did like the whole drafting of players and stuff. Yeah, so I'm like really excited about that. But anyways, going back to what the sole purpose is of this video is to do eye look using the Anastasia palette. So if you want to see how I got the look, then keep on watching. Yeah, I'm like wearing the most comfiest sweater ever because I just got off work, so I just want to chill and relax and wait for some games to get started. So yeah, I'm already primed my lids with concealer and set it with some powder. If you want to see how I did that, I talked about it in the first video, so you can go back to that and see how I did that. I don't know what eye look I'm gonna go for, TBH, so we're just gonna go with the flow. Like, we're just gonna roll with the punches. That's pretty much how I do most of my eye looks. I just start off with one color, and it's just like a domino effect. I just keep on going. Speaking of dominoes, did y'all see that, like, how they said that they'll fix your road if it has like a pothole or whatever? I want to know if that's true, because I was born and raised on the Navajo reservation, and bruh, my road alone would need like several trucks to help out with that, you know? So if Domino's wants to keep their word, they can come out to my reservation and help a girl out. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this burnt orange and just use that as a transition color. So let's talk about football, shall we? Again, like, I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan. I know, I honestly don't know why people hate the Cowboys. I honestly don't, because we don't really trash talk a lot of people besides T.O. T.O. definitely talked a lot of smack to other people. I can't defend him because he's definitely said some rowdy stuff. But I don't know why people don't like the Cowboys. If someone can explain to me why they don't like the Cowboys, I would greatly appreciate that. Because, like, there's some teams that I don't like, but I have a good reason why. Like, for example, the Green Bay Packers. I hate them because of that playoff game that the Cowboys did when they called T.O.'s catch not a catch. That's why I don't like the Packers. Don't. We're not going to talk about that game no more because it still hurts. I remember that game like it just happened last weekend. Like, I remember watching the whole game and I was like, oh my god, if we get a touchdown, we're going to advance. Like, this is crazy. Like, maybe this is the season. I finally get to see the Cowboys win the Super Bowl. It literally was just like, poof. It was just taken right out of my hands. And now I'm just going to take a different blending brush and dip into mulberry, this like plum color, and just work it into like a V shape on the outside of the eye. I'm not gonna bring it inward into the eye because I wanted to use a shimmer and fade it into this dark plum color. So we'll see how this goes. So I honestly don't know why people are so surprised when I tell them how much I know about football. Like, they'll be like, oh my god, you know what a false start is? Do you know what a quarterback? I'm like, yo, like, of course I know what a quarterback is. Like, they're the cutest player on the team. Like, what do you mean? Just kidding. No. Maybe not kidding. Who knows? Yeah, so I did fantasy football for the first time, and that was so much fun. I mean, even though that we just did the drafting, that was fun on its own. Like, I had a ball. Like, I surprised myself on how much I knew about the players. So I'm feeling pretty confident about my draft team. I don't even know who's playing tonight. Let's check to see who's playing tonight. Open my ESPN. Okay, so tonight it's the Falcons versus the Eagles. Okay, Falcons and Eagles. 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 What can I say? What can I say good about the Eagles is a real question. I like the bird eagle. Does that count? I mean, I think eagles are pretty. But as for the team, I guess I don't know. I mean, I've been to Philadelphia. Like, I love Philly. But as for the Eagles, I don't know. I don't like anyone in the Cowboys division, to be honest. So, but I feel like it's like, it's both ways though. Like, Eagles and Giants fans hate us, and we hate them just as much. So what can you do? But I don't know. Outside of like the Cowboys, I just like certain players. As in, like, Larry Fitzgerald. Oh my god, he is something else. Like, if I could give anyone a ring and allow them to win a Super Bowl, that would be Larry Fitzgerald. Oh my god, he deserves a ring. He reminds me of Steve Nash. He played in the NBA but never got a ring. Like, I feel so bad for Larry. Like, I know he loves Phoenix and the Cardinals, like, so much that he won't leave. But, like, I'm like, Larry, it's okay to be selfish, bruh. Like, it's okay. I'll forgive you if you leave the Cardinals. Because I don't know if the Cardinals will ever go to the Super Bowl. I know they had that one year where they were, like, pretty good. But that's just, like, 1 year, you know? Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm just take this color called Bronze. It's this gold shimmer. I'm just going to use my finger because I feel like, ooh, that's really nice. Then I'm just going to put it on the inner corner of my eye. Yes, hunty. And then I'm just gonna take, let's see, I'm gonna take Dusty Rose in about, it's like a light purple on a small blending brush. And then I'm just gonna blend that gold with that plum color that we just put on the inner corner. Then I'm just gonna dip into the black shadow called Noir. I don't know, it's Noir. Why do I feel like it's French? I don't know. Then I'm just gonna put this on the very bottom of this and just darken that color. And I'm gonna take that same blending brush and just blend that. So when I was doing the fantasy football draft with a couple of my friends the other weekend, I was like drafting my players, right? And I didn't know this about myself, but I low-key do know, is that I was only picking football players that were cute. So my top pick, my number one pick, was Odell Beckham Jr. He cute. Oh my god. And then that's all I remember that I picked for that team. I mean, who else can be Odell? I like Eric Decker, but he retired, unfortunately. But he was pretty cute. We should look that up. Let me look up cutest players in the NFL. Eric Decker, Tom Brady. Tom Brady, I wouldn't pick him. Colin Kaepernick, he's pretty cute. Deshaun Jackson. Clay Matthews, ew. No, he is not attractive. Russell Wilson, I would date Russell. Because he has money. So, Reggie Bush, yo, I wouldn't trust him. Cam Newton. Can I just marry you? I love Cam. I love me some Cam. I like to take, where's my concealer brush? My concealer brush. And instead of, some people like to put like tape right here to make like a harsh straight line. I like to just take my concealer brush and just literally draw up. I'm trying to think if there's like anyone cute on the Cowboys. Oh my god. This is like it's like a throwback one. Miles Austin. Okay, fun fact, my first Cowboys jersey was a Miles Austin. Because my dad knew that I liked him. But literally right when I got my jersey, they traded him. Like, timing couldn't have been much worse than that. So, but it's whatever though. Like, I still kept it. I still wear it every now and then because I still think he's really cute. I'll go ahead and do the same thing, the burnt orange. I don't really care for Tony Romo, TBH. He literally would break a bone even if you just hugged him. Yeah, that's how fragile must be Italian. If you don't know where that movie's from, then you need to catch up on your Christmas movies. And take a small pencil brush and just dip into that black eyeshadow. I don't even know how to pronounce that eyeshadow name. And then just run it underneath your bottom lashes. And then we'll blend this out. Sweet. Ooh, I love it. Perfecto. I think we're almost done with the eyes. Let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face, put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. And she is done. Oh my goodness. I love it. I really like that gold that's on the inner part of the eye. Ooh, she is golden. Get it? Golden, gold. Oh my god, I love it so much. Yeah, I would recommend this palette to anyone, especially if you like doing a fall look, even though it's like summer, but like who cares? Like fall's fall, I don't care. But I love it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions about any products, any techniques that you may want to know more about, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. But in the meantime, best of luck to your NFL team, whoever that may be. If you're not a Cowboys fan, that's fine. But best of luck this season, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!